Hi everybody, Tim Bartz here, Long McArthur Ford, Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information, including product reviews and information. So I had this company that reached out and follows the channel and such, and wondered if we could do a review on their floor mats. These are the Michelin all-weather protection floor mats. They're a TPE material, and we've done a video on my 3W liners that I have on my Bronco now. We're going to actually install these and take a look at them, unbox them. I haven't even looked at them at all. I'm telling you, this is 100% real right now, but we haven't looked at them at all. I did undo the box just to see, because these actually have a really nice little cover on them. Oh, by the way, make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of our videos. This does come with a nice little envelope, looks like. Let's see what's in here. Looks like, oh, these are the instructions and everything. So these ought to be pretty easy, but it tells you to adjust everything. So nice little instructions book and everything. Yeah, talking about removing your old mats and everything, but we don't really need those. We've done this a couple times. Try to get that in there. There we go. But they are kind of in a nice little like bag here of some sort, looks like. And actually, I think I just took them out of the bag. So hold on a second. Pull these out of here. Oh yeah. So I did not pull those out correctly, but they do come in a nice little bag. There we go. There we go. So they came in a nice bag. If I opened the box the right way, it would have been nice. So nice little bag that they put them in. I don't know if you'll keep the bag, but maybe a nice bag for luggage or something. But let's pull these out and see what mats we have. Like I said, I have not unboxed it yet. So we'll get each one of these out. Put those to the side. So I think I know where these go. This is the mat that goes around the back. So it is kind of nice. One of the things I can say when the material, it's not a hard plastic. It's kind of a mixture. It's kind of like a rubberized and hard mixed together. So I think a lot of companies are going to this TPE material, and it's durable. It's a little bit of flexible. It's not so rigid like maybe some of them are. But those will be real easy to install. That one goes in the back seat. And I think they just gave me the front. Actually, it looks like we got more mats. We have some for the backs of the seats too. So this is a nice one. Looks like that one is one's for the driver, one's for the passenger. I think this is the driver. Like that. So I thought I was just getting floor mats, but it looks like we're getting cargo area mats too. So this must be the full kit here. They spared nothing on this. So we'll be installing all of this. So believe, because I've done these before, this has like Velcro on the back, and they also have little loops too. So I assume those go over the headrests. So we'll might need to get the instructions out to install those, but those are going to Velcro and stay in on those backrests. So you see the openings for the tether system. So you have, that's the 60% side, and this is the 20% side. This is for a 4-door, by the way, Bronco, which is what we have right behind us here. And then, so these are just for the backrests, I believe. Oh, this is a cargo area one. So that is going to go on the cargo floor, and that's going to go up and where that cart that can lay down. So we'll get these installed here and get these moved out of the way, and we'll go ahead and install these real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and get the driver's one. So it looks like that's for the footrest right here. So this will be the driver's side, and you'll want to make sure those go over the little spots that are on the floor there. Pretty easy to install. Nice Michelin floor mats. And then get it back and in there. I'm off just a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to back up so you can kind of see how that fits in there. So it does go up and over the door sill a little bit, but it kind of goes up on the side. So it's a tray style floor liner there, and it goes up against the seat adjustment right there, or the where the seat goes into that. So pretty good fit there. Let's go ahead and do this back seat. The other front seats is going to be similar to that, so we won't do that. This in here, you'll need to make sure those little cutouts there are going to go underneath the seat. So we'll want to go in this way and go down. Oops, sorry, hit the mic. There. And then maybe open that door over there and you can get a good view of that side. All right, so we'll get this down and in that side. And you can see the reason I'm struggling a little bit is because of what's underneath. Let me come over there and show you what that looks like on that side. Pull that corner up. You can kind of see under there, it has little things right there to grab that carpet right there, or the vinyl floor. But because of that, it's a little more difficult. But one of the things that, now take a look at that I do like about that a little bit is that it's one piece across there. So you don't have a break in it where you're catching your feet over the hump of that middle seat right there. All right, so I kind of do like that they do it that way. And since we're over here now, let's go ahead and throw this one in. So this one here, passenger side, only has one spot that it needs to kind of go down into. There you go. So you can kind of see what that's going to look like in there. Right there. All right. So let's go ahead and do we'll do the seat backs real quick, and then we'll move to the rear cargo. All right, we're going to grab this, and again, I have not practiced this, so you can even see that this actually came out a little bit. But my assumption is, and when you stick it down, it's going to stick. In fact, it kind of caught a little bit, but this is going to go underneath that flap there, and so you kind of go down, and got to be careful when you put it down, because once you put it down, you can see it's not going anywhere. You want to go out around your tether system there. So I think I have that down, and really, in my opinion, putting this on and it velcros in, I don't think you're going to need the loop on this. Now the loop can go around your headrest, you can kind of see, and then you can tighten it down if you want. But then you have this loop kind of sticking, which you can then stuff it back up if you want. But I don't really think you need it, because this isn't really going anywhere. Like, it's on there really good. So I guess if it were me and I was putting these on my Bronco, I'd probably just take these off, because like I said, these actually kind of come out. This one actually came out on us. So you can just pull it out. You don't have to have it on there if you don't want. So leave that up to whoever has these. We're actually going to give these floor mats away at our next Bronco event, Supercell Colorado. But there you go, there's that one. So we'll go ahead and install the other one here, and then we'll get the cargo one put in. All right, so what's nice about this one, it's real easy to know. Michelin goes up, but you want to make sure you go around the tether thing and get down there real good. There you go. And like I said, that's very good Velcro in there. But anyway, we're not going to install it probably. We're going to leave it on there because, like I said, we're going to take these back off and put them back in the box and give them away. Let's do this backrest real quick. This one has Velcro at the top. That's what goes on the back there, but not on the bottom part. So we're going to put this in here like this so that we don't have to deal with that much. And kind of put that in there. You do see spots where your hooks are for your cargo area. So if you need to cut those out, you can do that. If you need to get into access into those. And then this here is going to go up and over and then it's going to Velcro on the top across there. So then that way, when we shut that, and we'll switch places, and we'll have Jeff over here to show us what that looks like. Then we'll have it on there, a little hair come on there. But anyway, with heat, this will actually come down. It's kind of folded in packaging, but when it gets warm, it'll kind of go ahead and lay itself down in there. I know that's what happened to some other ones that I've had, but there you go. All right, so see, you can see here how that goes over there, and then if we shut it, that's what it does there, which I can't see it from where I'm at. How's that look? Look pretty good? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Kind of goes up and over right there. But you can do that with both seats. There you go. And then, like I said, those loops will just go over the seats, and then, like I said, you can fasten them and then like probably pull them around, or just not use them at all. I don't know if you're really going to need them, to be honest, but there you go. All right, so that's the Michelin floor liners here, and you know, really pretty good material in here. Again, all of them are a little different. We've done a review on some of the others. This one here, I'd say, is a pretty nice option for you on floor liners. In the description is a code. You can go and use that. Should get you a discount a little bit. And if you do get the floor mats through that, using that link, then that will help you out. Just makes a nice, quick little link for you to go to. So Michelin floor liners, kind of new. I haven't really seen them out for a while, but I know they were at the Maverick meetup. Also, we're showing this on a Bronco, but another thing you can do is these floor liners are available for a lot of different models. So I'm putting those on the screen. I know they're available for Expedition, Explorers, F-150s, Super Duties. They actually gave some of these away at the Ford Carlisle event. So I think they're available for the Maverick, but they didn't give me that list. And of course, Bronco and Bronco Sport as well. So a lot of vehicles these are available in. So check them out if you're looking for some floor liners and looking for different options. Yeah, pretty decent. I think they'll be really good liners, especially if you're wanting the backrest, which there's a lot of companies that just do liners for the front and second row, and they forget about the seat backs. They'll have them, you know, floor cargo area, but this one has a full one, including seat backs, especially if you lay those down and you put things in and out like I do a lot of times on trips. These might be an option for you to go with. So check them out. For other videos like this, make sure you subscribe, bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of those videos. And until the next one, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.